You're great at what you do. So why does finding clients feel so hard? I see this all the time. Coaches, consultants, online educators, freelancers who pour their hearts into their work often to find themselves struggling to get clients consistently and create the business that they've always dreamed of. And over time, the energy spent chasing inconsistent leads doesn't just slow down their growth, it dims their passion and it makes it hard to focus on what they love most. Here's the thing, being amazing at your craft isn't enough if no one knows about it. All successful, scalable businesses have a system that attracts ideal leads and turns them into paying clients. That's called a funnel. A funnel is a simple, step by step process that guides potential clients from discovering you to becoming paying customers. It works 24/7, attracting leads, building trust, and converting them into clients automatically. This means you can focus on your craft, not chasing leads. If you've ever felt like marketing drains your energy, a funnel can be the game changer that you've been missing. A simple, effective funnel can be done with three stages. One, attraction. This is how you get people into your funnel and onto your email list. It starts with offering something valuable like a free resource, like a lead magnet that solves a specific problem for your ideal clients that they can digest easily and quickly. The next phase is nurture. Once they've entered your funnel, you build trust by sharing valuable content, usually through an automated email sequence. And three is conversion. This is when you invite them to take action on the problems that you can help them solve by working with you. The sales process. This process can also be automated and can look many different ways. If you want to nail the first stage of your funnel, I've created a free resource called the Profitable Lead Magnet Checklist. This guide will help you design a lead magnet that not only attracts your dream clients, but can actually help you make the money while doing it. You'll find the link pinged in the comments below, so go ahead and grab it after watching this video. There are some common mistakes to be aware of that can derail your efforts, so let's make sure you avoid them. One is not knowing your audience or offer enough. It's not enough to know who your ideal client is. You need to know what they're actually going through, what their top of mind challenges are, their desires, and what motivates them. If your lead magnet or offer or messaging isn't aligned with your ideal client, they just won't take action. So get crystal clear on who you're speaking to and the problem that you're solving for them. The second thing I see is people overcomplicating the funnel. Many coaches try to add too many steps or fancy features. So keep it simple. An opt in page, an email sequence, and a clear call to action are all you need to start building your email list and guiding people towards your offers. Once your funnel is working, then you can add more steps. The third thing I see, and this is a big one, is people ignoring traffic strategies or not creating a proper traffic strategy. A funnel won't work if no one sees it, no matter how good the funnel is. Make sure you're driving traffic to it consistently by creating a traffic strategy that doesn't drain your energy or keep you feeling pinned to social media all the time. And lastly, failing to optimize your funnel. Too many people give up on their funnels too fast. A funnel is not a set and forget. When you track your numbers, like conversion rates, for example, your funnel will actually tell you exactly where it needs to be tweaked for better results. And small adjustments can make a huge difference. And when done right, a funnel is like having a team member working for you 24/7. It attracts clients, builds relationships, and generates income even when you're not actively working. Imagine having a predictable system that allows you to focus on serving your clients while your funnel handles the lead generation and sales. That generates the predictability and scalability that sets successful businesses apart. So if you're ready to start building your funnel or fix the one you have to attract your dream clients, then don't miss my free resource below, the Profitable Lead Magnet Checklist. This guide will help you to create a captivating lead magnet that magnetizes your dream clients, monetize your lead magnet to generate income while building your list, and turn your marketing efforts into real results. The link is pinned in the comments below. So download it now and start transforming your marketing efforts today. If you found this video helpful, comment with your biggest takeaway or question about funnels, and I'll answer it in an upcoming video. See you then.